Doing something quick today. I don't have a time to smoke since I gotta go to work tonight, so we'll do something direct heat. Do some corn on the cob. Got a little concoction here. That's just melted butter, lime juice, cayenne pepper, oh, very heavy cayenne pepper, and some black pepper in that. And I'm not just using that for this corn. I'll actually drizzle that on this chicken as well. I've got a little bit going in here. Just doing some bone-in, skinned chicken thighs. Got them sitting on the cool side at the moment. Let them cook for a bit. Then I'll crisp that skin up over the direct heat. Get the corn on. Get some good color on there. You know what happens when you do direct heat? If you go in the house for a minute, you get that skin real good and crispy. So, at least it didn't mess it up. You can just peel it off if it's too much, but that's the only two. They were sitting a little bit close. Let these cook just a bit more over here to the side. And then to crisp that skin up, not that much. I'll actually stand here and put them over direct heat with the lid off. I'm standing here at them. But these, a little bit of corn, I think it's gonna be good. Get that skin crisp up. You're ready to pull these things off. Put the corn on. We've had the corn in there for just a little bit. Started off over on the cooler side. On mine, I like to take it out of the husk. Some people do it with it on there. I take mine out. Do it partially direct, partially indirect. I like some of the kernels a little dark on mine. I like a little char. That's how I like my corn. Take them off, let them sit on this kind of in the middle for 5 minutes or so, and then put the lid back on. You know, kind of roll them back and forth across there a time or two. Get a little char on some of those kernels. And here's the end result. This I like to char some of the kernels on my corn. Making sandwiches out of it. Some lettuce, a little blue cheese, buffalo sauce. Good crispy skin. I believe it's time to eat.